Do you ever wish to start your own online store with no hassles, no costs and easy setup under 1 minute? Do you ever wish there was an easier way to connect with your customers, and a mobile solution that allows you to connect with your customers wherever they are and provide easy access to your catalog of products and services? Well, now there is. Introducing SmartBizApp, an all-in-one mobile app for your business that gives you the power to engage with your customers instantly and notify them of new sales and products while giving them access to tracking updates, integrating with your payment processor and integrate shipping. SmartBizApp gives you full access to features like offering discounts, inventory management, order management, one-click sharing your products to your customers, one-click social media sharing, direct chat, and many more. This SmartBizApp is going to revolutionize the way you interact with your customers, giving you more control, and giving them a much better experience. SmartBizApp is free, safe and secured mobile app for your business. Even your kids can operate. Now offering free training to new onboard store owners. SmartBizApp is available to download for free on the App Store and Play Store. So what are you waiting for? Download the app now and start growing your business.